deep clean of this fridge. It hasn't been done in so long. Have like everything is everywhere. Nothing has like its designated spot. The waters are just all over on down there. So I want to try and make this a little more organized. And then you have to bend down there to get like drinks and stuff. So I'm gonna see and play around with it and see what I can do. We don't have too much right now, but once I get it organized, I can see exactly what I need to get. I did go ahead and get some more bins as well to organize with. And here's the freezer. It's a hot mess. So I'm gonna try and get that organized. I will show you step by step what I'm doing. And I'm also going to be giving it a deep clean because like I said, it has not been done in a very long time. So let's just get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take out all the food shelf by shelf. I also have a tip for you guys. If you are going to clean out the fridge, you might want to pull out any coolers that you may have or cooling bags, which is what I am using, and make use of them by putting the food in there while you clean because it may take longer than you would like and you don't want to risk the food going bad while you clean. So now I just am spraying down the drawers and bins with this Dawn dish spray. And I'm going to put them in the tub because I don't have a very big kitchen sink. So I just feel that they can all fit more better in the bathtub. And then I'm just going to go ahead and spray down the inside of the fridge. It's completely disgusting. As I said before, I have not cleaned it in a while. So I'm using my glove that has a built-in like sponge on it just to kind of wipe out the inside of the fridge and just let it sit for a little while. And now I'm going to move on to cleaning these bins out. So I just used a little bit of the Dawn dish spray with a brush and some really hot water. And I just had to show you this because I know that my hair is everywhere, but now it's also in the refrigerator bins. And then I also went back and just put like a cap full of bleach because since I have not cleaned these bins out in a while, I wanted them to be disinfected and nice and clean. And as I was taking the food out earlier, I did go ahead and get rid of a lot of things that were expired. So that was a good thing too because it freed up a lot more space now. So I did want to go ahead and get these yogurts back in the fridge quickly. So this small organizer actually fit them perfectly. So now that the fridge is nice and clean, I want to go ahead and cut up this fresh fruit that I have here. Some strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and that pineapple. And I picked up this really neat berry storage container from Target, and it seems to keep the berries fresher for longer. And I also like how it's like a space saver so that it will fit perfectly inside my fridge. So if you are new here and enjoy cleaning and organization videos such as this one, I would love for you to consider subscribing. This is kind of the content that I like to put out there. So if you guys are subscribing and giving a thumbs up, I know that this is what you like to see, and I can keep putting this type of content for you guys to watch. Now I'm gonna show you how it turned out, and I'm gonna start with the fridge. I took both shelves off, I cleaned them with bleach, and then I just kind of made the condiments and like the stuff that I use like for cooking, salad dressing, I put on that side, and then the condiments I have here. We don't have too much. And then on the bottom I just put these chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, pancake syrup, and then the drinks that we have and the milk. And then we have, start up here, the cold cut drawer. I threw a lot of stuff out that was expired, and I just have the cheeses, the cold cut meat, some bacon, and then I just put the can holder with the cans over there, just some yogurts that the kids can grab, the eggs. I have a little tiny space right there, and then our water. And then down here I have the fruit that I cut, the pineapple, the berries. That makes it easy for the kids. It's all washed and ready to eat. They can just take as they want. And then I just put in this bin like the butter, the cream cheese. I have some guacamole, and then the cookies and cinnamon rolls over there, and the big iced tea back there. Down here I just kept it kind of how it was, but just cleaned out the bin and like rearranged it a little bit. And I just put the drinks and the little waters. And then here is like the veggie drawer, just some salad stuff. Now I'll show you the freezer. Everything's so nice and clean. So here's the freezer. And I just kind of put the same things like on one side. We have the fried rice. These are really, really good from Trader Joe's. And then I just put like the little ice creams up here. And then I just put some stuff on the door. So I do have to get some more meat this week, but when I do, I will have the room on the side. Turned out really nice. Everything is nice and clean now, and that makes me very happy. So I hope that you guys liked today's video. I hope I was able to inspire you in some way. I know I was procrastinating cleaning my fridge for so long, but once I actually did it and saw the end result, I was feeling so much better. And the bins are really inexpensive. You can find them from Amazon, you can find them in the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of bins and baskets for organization. So I hope you give this video a big like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you again real soon in my next one. Bye.